Hello. Today we're taking a look at the investment platform CMC Markets, one of the leading brokers in the market. In this video, I'll share my opinion about the platform and take a closer look at the comparison table of brokers featured on their website. CMC Markets offers a wide range of tools for trading stocks, currencies, indices, and other assets. The platform features a user-friendly interface, excellent charts, and analytical tools, making it appealing to both experienced traders and beginner investors. On the page linked in the description, you can learn about the main advantages and the terms of working with the broker. I'd like to pay special attention to the comparison table of brokers featured on the CMC Market site. This table allows you to quickly assess what sets this broker apart from others in the market. The table includes key parameters such as commission sizes, the range of available assets, quality of customer service, minimum deposits, and other important details. This format of comparison helps investors quickly make an informed decision when choosing the broker best suited for their individual goals and trading style. In addition to technical characteristics, the table also demonstrates the level of innovation and user-friendliness of the platform, which is especially important in the rapidly changing financial services market. If you want to quickly understand what services various brokers offer or assess the competitive advantages of CMC Markets, this table will be a real help for you. In summary, CMC Markets is a modern investment platform that offers not only a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools, but also a transparent comparison with its competitors. If you're planning to start trading or are looking for a reliable partner for investments, be sure to check out this comparison table on their website.